Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to confirm a transfer voucher online in the GL module of the MITFIN system. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process, from accessing the system to approving and rejecting transactions. This process is to be performed by the account assistant, accountant, or chief engineer. Let's get started. First, from the main menu, move your mouse pointer to the left panel. Now, double-click on General Ledger section. This will expand the options, where you'll find Transactions. Double-click on Transactions to proceed. Now, you'll see a list of functions under the Confirmation tab. To approve multi-company transactions, double-click on Approve Multi-Company Transactions. A prompt will appear on your screen, stating, there are 2 multi-company transactions pending your approval. Do you wish to approve them now? Click Yes to continue with the approval process. You'll now be directed to the Online Multi-Company Approvals screen. Here, you'll see a detailed list of transactions, including the document profile, document number, accounting date, status, and transaction value. To review a specific transaction, click the View button in the corresponding row. This will open a detailed view of the transaction, where you can check information such as the document profile, transfer voucher online number, from department to department, transfer dates, remarks, transaction value, destination department, and ledger account code with the debit and credit amounts. Ensure all the details are accurate and matched to the supporting documents. After completing your review, you can exit the view screen by clicking the cross in the top right corner, or simply pressing the Escape on your keyboard. Back on the approval screen, if everything is correct, select Yes from the Approve drop-down list, then click OK. The transaction status will now update to Approved. If you notice any errors or incorrect entries, select No from the Approve drop-down menu. Next, click the button in the Reject Reason column, enter the reason for rejection, and click OK. Then, click OK once more to complete the rejection process. The transaction status will now update to Rejected. Rejected vouchers will become editable, allowing the entry user to make the necessary corrections by going to the TV Online Entry section. Once the corrections are made, the voucher must be revalidated and resubmitted for approval. Finally, let's click Yes to approve the transaction and complete the approval process. Each time you approve or reject a transaction, the pending approvals count updates automatically to reflect the change. Additionally, you can approve transactions at a group level. On the Approve or Reject Multi-Company Voucher screen, select the Login Group ID from the drop-down menu. This allows you to approve all transactions pending within that group, not just those assigned to your individual user ID. This allows faster approval for multiple transactions. When you're finished, close the Approve or Reject Multi-Company Voucher screen by clicking the cross in the top right corner, selecting the No or simply pressing the Escape on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to confirm transfer vouchers online in the GL module of the MITFIN system. Thank you for following this tutorial. Excellent progress so far. Let's proceed to the next training video tutorial.